Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn how to create a 2D array. So import numpy as np dot array. So if you write a single list, then it denotes that it is having a dimension 1. So to get a dimension 2, you have to enclose with another list and provide some values. Okay, now check the dimension. How to check the dimension of an array? In the previous video I have mentioned an attribute of array called ndim. Okay, so let us assign with a. Now I can check with a dot ndim. Now it will give you the dimension. So what is n here? Nth dimension. So the dimension will be 2. Okay, see here. So this is one way to create 2-dimension array. Okay, we have another way to create a 2-dimension array. So b is equal to np dot array, give some list 1 2 3. Here I will give you a attribute name nd min, not ndim. Okay, ndim is 2. So ndim means it is a variable name, and the value here is the dimension you want. So I want 2-dimension array to be created. So I have mentioned ndim is equal to 2. If I want 3-dimension array, you can write 3 here. Okay, now let us create this. Now print b. So this is a 2-dimension array. Let us check this. B dot ndim. See here, 2-dimension array. So if I want to create a 5-dimensional array, you can simply write like this: c dot np dot array. Okay. Pass some list 1 2 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, and here I have to give nd min equal to, let us say, 5. So don't confuse with ndim and ndmin. So you have to write ndmin here, not ndim. Okay, so then you will get a 5-dimension array like this. Okay, so let us check the dimension of this c dot ndim. Output will be 5. So we created a 5-dimension array. In this way we can create